Hello, so this is an instructional video on how to use the video conferencing tool during your recorded conversation with your pen pal. This instructional video focuses more on using Skype as your video conferencing tool. I personally recommend it more because most of the feature on here will be free, including the recording feature, whereas Google Meet will require you to have a premium account to use the recording feature. So with Skype, I will also recommend you download the app on either your desktop, laptop, or your phone so that you can use it and access it more easily. So once you have downloaded the Skype app and you open it up, it will require you to set up an account. You can use either your email or phone number to set up your account. Either one is fine. And once you have gone through the whole setup process, you will sign into your account. And once you have signed into your account, you can start a conversation with your pen pal by either entering their contact information and basically create a contact for them in your Skype account, or you can use the Meet Now one and host a meeting and ask them to join in using their Skype account. So either way is fine. The contact way is probably easier and faster, and also will allow you to save all your recorded messages in your chat inbox or chat history. So once you're here, you will click on the video call on the top right corner, and once you click on it, it will start recording. Well, it won't start recording. This is currently a video call, and you want to start recording by clicking on the record button on the bottom left. And this is really interesting, is that once you start recording, not only you will see that it says that it starts recording, but your partner or your pen pal will also see that you are currently recording the call. So I would suggest you tell them that you will be recording the call because it will show up on their side as well. And once you have finished your conversation, you can click on the stop recording both on the top and on the bottom. Either one is fine. And so you stop recording, and after you have ended your conversation, you can go back and see that the recorded call is now in your chat history, and you can open the video and it will play the recorded video. And you can also either save it to your download, or you can also do save as to save to wherever in your folder that you would like to keep. So it's pretty easy to do, and the recording is available for 30 days. One thing is that I'm not sure if it will record the whole conversation, but if it doesn't record 30 minutes long, you can always break it up into smaller sections, and you can just turn in this recording, or you can embed it or link it in your Padlet account, and I will be able to see it in your Padlet account as well. So I hope this is helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions, and thank you.